Hi, this is a video showing a fault on a Delonghi magnifica where the four lights are flashing in sequence along the bottom, and I'll show you how to fix it. Right, according to the Delonghi website, the four lights flashing in sequence along here suggests that it's the infuser hasn't been inserted, which it was. The infuser was in place. So I then thought, well, it's probably a fault with the infuser and might need cleaning. So I removed the infuser, cleaned it, lubricated it, didn't replace the O-rings because they were in fairly good condition, and put it back in. Another thing I will mention while I'm here, I did have a problem getting the infuser out, which has happened in the past, and what that is on the bottom here, if you put your finger, switch the machine off first, put your finger tight up against the bottom, push it in about 2 inches, and when you feel a bit of resistance, that's a lever. You can move the lever to the right with your finger, while with the other hand you press it in and it comes out quite easily. As I say, I did that, cleaned it, put it back in, switched it on, still the same fault. So then I tried to reset the machine by unplugging it at the back. If you press and hold these two buttons, plug it back in while you're still depressing the buttons and wait for more lights to come on, and it reset. I then had a problem. It might reset for yourselves normally anyway, but this light was coming on. When I tried to make a cup of coffee, the water, you could see it was working fine and making all the noises what it should be doing, but there was no water coming through, and I just think it was because it hadn't been used for a while. There was no water in the internal parts. So you leave this button off, take the arm out, put something underneath to catch the water, turn this on to full till you get the water coming out, and then have a little fiddle with it and move it around a bit to get the water. Once the water comes through, it was fine, it worked. When he's suggesting that, there was a video on YouTube with a guy who did seem to know what he's talking about, and he said if you get this fault with the four lights in sequence coming on, it's a software issue and you may as well throw the machine away. But obviously it doesn't, it's just a simple reset. Okay, this video was helpful. Bye.